Welcome to another Eco Tips video of ecopenny. I'm at Ploughmans Wetlands near Orange, New South Wales. So this area should have a lot of bird life to look at. They've got pictures of the bird life you can expect here, so I'll see what I can find. You can walk around this track or you can bike ride, so I'm going to give the Apollo Summit a go. Nice cruisy slow bike ride, do some birding and see what I can see here. So you can bring your dog on a lead here too. Make sure you clean up any mess it makes though. You can't swim here or kayak. This is a magpie, fairly common Australian bird. Have a habit of dive bombing cyclists in spring, so I've got that to look forward to next month. It's just a territorial thing, trying to protect their nests if you cycle past their trees. Got a nice picnic table and shelter here. So it's the first bit of water here. Little stream with a weir. So this little boardwalk ends up on a residential street. You can hear birds, but I haven't seen any others yet since the magpies. Nice bench with a view of the lake here. Some nice sculptures of a pair of emus with their chicks with them. There's a nice little platform you can do some fishing from, or just look at the birds. Quite a few different entrances to this place, so it depends where you are. You can access it from multiple locations. Another bench here. So you've got a mixture of gravel, boardwalk and concrete pathways. Another magpie there. Magpie's got a beautiful song you heard just then. Almost finished the loop back to the car again. So it's only about a bit over a kilometre, not too long. Some yellow wattle flowers coming out, some gum trees behind it. So I've only seen a few birds. I think it's best to come very early in the morning or in the evening at sunset. Probably see some more. So it's almost 2 kilometres doing the loop around the lake and the little extension that goes to the residential street. So it's quite nice. So it's not only great for the environment having this area for wildlife and bird life, but it's also a very pleasant place to visit for people. You can walk their dogs, come with their families, ride your bike slowly around. Just a beautiful place to visit. Great thing that the Orange Council's done for the community and the environment. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the Ploughmans Wetlands, a beautiful place to visit. So if you're in Orange, New South Wales, be sure to check this place out.